Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be playing more Slots and Daggers because I really wanna play more of this game. Let's see. You know what? Let's just continue. Let's see if I can break the swamp area. I'm not sure if it's good to be like to skip the level. Am I gonna miss like money? No, let's just freaking try. You know what? The poison blade is really good. Hammer, and also we need a shield. Oh, we are on the store right away. We can get cheese, shield potion, grant the 50 shield, gumball. Cost is turn, I can gain 0 to 15 coins. You know what? I'm gonna upgrade the poison blade. I'm also gonna get the fireball. I wanna see how the fireball works. Ouch, ouch. I take it back. The fireball is kinda meh. And we are gonna freaking die. We are dead. We are so freaking dead. Yep. Oh yeah, we have a. I got the upgrade for the extra life. We only survived that because of the extra life. It's 23. We can get cheese. Wait, we have cheese. I didn't know we already have cheese. It's only 13. Fine, give me the sword. We're dead anyway. The goddamn skill check for the sword. I'm still kind of bad for the skill check. Fireball. I'm dead. I should really not rush when using the sword. Mushroom heals 15 per turn. Always active? What do you mean always active? How much did you gain? Only 15? Okay, let's start from here. A blood spell. 50% lifesteal? You know what? Give me the blood spell. Blood spell, poison dagger, and then I just like the poison dagger because it stacks. Wait, the lifesteal. The lifesteal gives you shield. Yeah, I think it gives you shield. 50% more shield. Yeah, we're gonna upgrade that one. Nope. The life still doesn't give me shield. I should really try to get more HP. Because the shield, it depends on how much HP you have. The more maximum HP you have, the more shield you can get. A respin. No, I need the shield. I need the freaking shield. Need max HP. This thing is gonna die from the poison. You know what? I kinda don't like the blood spell. Yes, we're gonna upgrade this one. Heal. Gonna upgrade the shield. This is actually free. It's free to use. 20% bonus healing, always active. I wanna get the mushroom. Oh my god, I forgot we have shield. But you know what? Poison. Poison goes through the freaking shield. That's why poison is really good. Now we're gonna upgrade the cheese. There's a banana right here. It's the queen of snakes. Hope you like poison. Ouch. My god. It's gonna heal. It's gonna heal. But we have more poison. You know what? This spell is kinda meh. I'm not gonna use this again. You're dead. Dead from the poison. I mean the blood spell is kinda meh. Ritual dagger. 100%. You know what? Ritual dagger is probably better than the freaking blood spell. Oh, the mushroom heals 15 per turn. Always active. It's always active. I wish I can remove. We can remove. How much does it cost? That's a 30 shield level 2. Let me get this. Let me remove. Never mind. I'm gonna remove the blood spell. Oh, so that's how we freaking sell it. I would have upgraded the shield to an iron shield. Yeah, this is where we died last time. But the only difference, the lethal dagger, I think it deals less damage than the hammer, but it has life steal. You're gonna die from the poison, my dude. Ooh. Energizer grant 120 magical damage when rolled. Critical bonus carries over the next turn. Critical strike success skill check grants a respin of the current wheel. Oh, I want that one. I also want. Why can't I buy the cheese? It says it's 13. No, it's 18. God damn it. Wait. Mega crit. I have 300 shield. You know what? It's fine as long as we have maximum shield. How did we go over our health? You're dead. You're not gonna survive the poison next turn. Can I upgrade the cheese now? Oh, I want the vampirism. That's 14. Why did we get so? We have less coins this time. Spin blade, 15 damage. Respin the wheel afterwards. What? I can't buy anything. 480 HP. Hope you like poison. Have 200 shields again. Oh yeah, you can't see because my head is on the way. But maybe I should be on the other side. Yeah, wait, let me just swap my head. Okay, that way you can see the HP. Poison blade upgrade. Yes, please. That's a rotten sword. I like the rotten sword. I want the rotten sword. You have 100 shield. Oh, you're gonna do a shield thing. It's fine. We have poison. It's not a problem. The poison always goes through the freaking shield. We're dead. That's why I like poison. We cannot upgrade anything. Physical damage per current shield. Gain 1 coin for every 20 damage dealt in a single attack. Max plus 2 coins. I want that one also. We are always broke. $700 HP. There we go. No, it's the curse dagger. 120 damage. Ouch. $140 damage. That's gonna hurt. There we go. Finally, some freaking shields. He still freaking hits a lot. He deals 140 per freaking turn. Now it's 150. Hopefully he dies from the poison. Okay, we just need to survive one more. And you're dead. You're dead. You're dead. Ritual dagger. No, we need to upgrade the cheese. That way we're gonna have more freaking HP. There's swamp again. I need shields. 117. I might die. I might freaking die. Ouch. Come on, just freaking die. 132 damage. We're still dead. Almost dead. What is this? Money? Gain 100% coin when rolled. 100% coins? 20 poison, 10 use. We are broke. Horn Gumblin. Yeah, it's a... Where did the lightning come from? Oh, he also deals magic damage? So he deals like 2 physicals and then magical attack? Oh, that's not good. Let's just hope the poison helps. And let HP to go. There we go. We just need to stack the poison more. Yes, this is toxic gaming right here. I think he's dead. He's dead. 200 poison. Should we upgrade the cheese? Can upgrade the shield actually. I'm gonna upgrade the shield. I got 2 shield, it gives 100 now. So it's 50 per shield. It's another one of those multi-hit enemies. Good thing it doesn't deal any damage. Because we have shields. I don't know how did we lose HP? Was it dealing magical damage? Okay, now die. Maybe 2 more turns. We can block one of the attack. This guy's dead next turn anyway. 160 poison damage. It's the ritual dagger. Grants 40% attack bonus next turn, 1 use per turn. Nah. It's a Komodo. Oh no, this one deals magical damage. This is not good. It bypassed my goddamn shield. Okay. One more turn. Poison blade. Broccoli. Can upgrade the broccoli. No, we need to upgrade the cheese. I think we're getting a lot more magical damage. And having more HP is the only way to counter it. That's 200 damage! One hit with 200 freaking damage! We need to get like 3 shields every freaking turn. Or else we're just gonna take damage. $550. Why are we not getting any poison daggers? There we go. He still have 600 HP. We're dead. We are so freaking dead. Barely dead. Ooh, that freaking hurts. How are you not dead? I mean, I'm dead. You're dying. That's our only revive, by the way. We only revive once. He's dead, he's dead. We barely survived that. I have no money. Can't buy anything. You know what? This is the farthest we got. We're not gonna read all of that. Red Desert. It's gonna get shields. Hope you like poison. I really need to upgrade that poison dagger. Or at least get another poison weapon. Just keep shielding. Just keep shielding, you piece of rock. You're dead. I mean, next turn you're dead. Still got, how much poison do we deal? 18 poison per turn. That's the ritual dagger. Should have got the vampirism. You already have shields. You start with freaking shields. That's not good. You also steal my money? You piece of shit. He also steals my goddamn money. He always steals money. Well, I have no money, so I can't steal anything, you piece of shit. You know what? You're dead next turn anyway. So the poison dagger. We are broke because that asshole is just stole my money. The gunslinger. What are you gonna do? 200 magical damage? We are gonna die. This guy deals 200 magical damage. We're dead. We are dead. How do we freaking block against magical damage? Wield speed? Apple just heals. Gain 3 coins. Shop items are 10% cheaper per level. That's a crit. Strengthen magical starting HP. Not let me refund this. Okay, that's the max. Instead of getting resistance against magical attack, we're just gonna get more money. Money equals power. Using power-ups are cheaper. Shop items. We're gonna get the shop cheaper. Okay, let's see. How much money do we really freaking get? Yeah, the blood spell is kind of meh. How much is the hammer? Hammer deals 20 damage. Blood spell only deals 15, but it has lifesteal. That's the only good thing about it. It has freaking lifesteal. You know what? I think the best is still the poison blade. I'm gonna get the poison blade and the hammer. Because the hammer can stun and also deals magical damage. It means we can deal damage through the freaking shield. I'm gonna replace the hammer with something else. Hopefully something with poison. You know what? The stun kinda works. We can get cheese. We can also get the broccoli. No, I think the cheese is always here. I'm gonna get the broccoli. If I see another poison weapon, I'm gonna grab it. Like another dagger would be great. Is it really giving me more? No, more shield. I would like the crit chance also. Ouch. Just wait. Poison blade upgrade. Still can't get the freaking shield. I want the bounty contract, gain 1 coin for every 20 damage. That should really help me with the freaking money problem. As long the enemy don't freaking steal, we're gonna be fine. A single hammer did the freaking stun. Nice. You know what? The hammer combo is still freaking good. Wheel speed. I don't know why you want the freaking wheel speed. I'm gonna get the cheese. I can't remove stuff. I was gonna remove the shield. I'm gonna try to get another poison weapon. But this stun is also pretty good. Yeah, just heal. Shield upgrade. Oh, vampirism is right here. I'm gonna grab lifesteal. Should we upgrade this thing? No. We're just gonna save. Just 20 damage. We have lifesteal. I should have gotten the more HP. I just remember our dagger doesn't do any freaking damage. Poison blade upgrade. Get poison. I don't think the shield is gonna help you. Hopefully you get stunned. Ooh, crossbow. Do we really want the upgrade? I mean, we can get cheese upgrade. No stun, unfortunately. Come on, stun. You know what? Maybe we should upgrade this thing. Ooh, rotten sword. We're gonna get the rotten sword. We're gonna try. No more hammer. No more hammer for us. 20 bonus. How much physical damage? This is flat physical damage. But we don't have a lot of physical damage. poison. That's 100 damage. Pure toxic. All my weapons have poison now. So the poison is just gonna get stuck. Stuck to the freaking moon. You're dead. That's like almost 200 poison damage. It's 18 poison. Now it's 22 poison. We're gonna need to upgrade the shield. Because it still gives really shit amount of shields. Ouch. We might die. 120 damage. Ouch. We're dead. Now what if we did upgrade the shield, we wouldn't die. Just die. Ooh, shield is here. Can get a mushroom. It gives 30 now. Here we go, the cursed swamp. Ouch. You know what? The life steal. We should have not got the life steal is a mistake. Okay, this guy's dead next turn. From the poison alone. Healing bonus. I have no money. I have no money for updates. There we go, get poison. Are we gonna die? Almost. You're dead, you're dead. 200 poison damage. Still can't upgrade that one. Critical success of skill check grant a respin. We don't have any respin. Oh my god, you deal like 130 damage? If we don't get shield next turn, we're dead. We are dead. We are so freaking dead. Well, that's a roguelike for you. A wizard shield. Grants 50% magical damage when rolled. Spellbook, 20% bonus. Shield charm. 20% bonus on shield. Interesting. Uh, 20% more coins per level. Per level, 70 chips. You know what? This one didn't actually freaking work. I'm gonna make the shop items cheaper. Maybe with cheaper shop items, it's gonna be better. Magical attack strength, that's crit. You can just probably get more HP. Yeah, let's get more HP. It's 100 per. How much HP do we start now? Ooh, we start with magical shields. Wooden shield gives me 20, but can crit. Magical shield, it doesn't crit, but it gives more. And we also do like more magical damage. Poison blade. We're gonna get the hammer. I think I'm gonna keep the hammer this time. Oh no. The shield is a skill check. I suck at skill check. God damn it, it's a freaking skill check. It does give you more, but it's a freaking skill check. We are not gonna keep the hammer. We have the broccoli right here. We're gonna get the cheese. Get the broccoli. We don't need that. I am gonna replace that freaking shield. If I see another shield on the store, we're gonna replace it with that. You can even get zero shield. No, we're not gonna. What is this? Shield bonus. Okay, we're gonna get the cheese upgrade and then the shield bonus. That might help. Two free shield. It could be really, really good or really, really freaking bad. Okay, that's perfect. As soon as a freaking shield pops up here, we're gonna use it. Poison blade always needs an upgrade. Coin bag. We're gonna get this one. Steak. It's a heal and it's free. one shield. No. So we can heal like 20 per turn? Oh my god, I need to remove the shield. It's a wooden shield. No. $21 poison. We're gonna get the cheese next. Skinwalkers. Just 8. Okay, that's one is perfect. Zero. Oh my god, I hate the shield. Just cheese. I really do not need the lifesteal. But since the shield is kinda meh. Zero shield. Good thing we're dealing a lot of damage. Oh my god, zero shield again. I am prepared to change this goddamn shield. That's 18. Okay. No, we didn't take damage, so we're not gonna heal. Just 6 shield? That's 40. What's the gun? That's more damage. I cannot buy anything here. If I reroll, I would not have any money to buy anything anyway. More physical damage. Okay, if I just press fast enough, we can get like some shield. Yeah, I think it's a guaranteed 30 shield. Bonus on healing, always active. No, we need a shield. What is this? Wait, I think is the shield. The shield gives like more damage to my poison. It does give more damage to my poison. You're dead. So the shield is magical? Gain 1 coin for every 20 damage dealt in a single attack. Max 2 coins. Uh, we need this one. We need to increase our coin. You know what? Your shield doesn't work. Doesn't work on me. It gives me double the freaking damage. Oh yeah, I did get like 2 shields. You know what? This might be the combo. But I hate the skill check. I might regret that one, but I don't care. Maybe the shield wasn't a shield at all. Maybe it's supposed to boost my poison damage. Yeah, it's a free 20 heal per turn. I think if we upgrade it, it will not heal anymore. A morning star. So that's why we're dealing way too much damage. Because of the magical shield. I forgot to heal. Forgot this thing deals a ton of freaking damage. Well, you're dead next turn. Oh, that's the runic charm. Bonus turns spins the wheel. I could get them. No. I already sold it. Next time we're not gonna sell the magical shield. I kinda regret selling the shield now. Could have been dealing a lot more damage with the magical shield. I didn't know the poison is magical. Okay, just die. 100% more shield. Oh, that is freaking huge. Of course, we're gonna get more cheese. We have 900 HP. Oh my god, you deal 200 damage. 200 damage per attack. I'm not gonna last that long. We barely survived this attack. Okay, he's dead. He's dead. Health gain. 40% more damage. Wait, is this the farthest we got? No. Oh my god, this thing, it steals my money. We need to kill this thing quickly. It steals money. Broken sword upgrade. How much? 33 poison. That is freaking huge. Oh, it's the rock again. Yeah, you know what, rock? Just keep using the defense. I don't think the defense is gonna do any good. Because we're gonna get poison. As long as you don't steal money from me. Okay, one more turn. Poison damage. Oh my god, this shield is OP. 100% more shield again. I could get the cheese. Is that a bomb? Plus 5 damage every time the symbol. Okay, it's the gunslinger again. Oh, I remember we died here. Because this thing deals magical damage. Oh, we are not gonna survive that long. Our shield is useless. Our shield is useless. Yeah, just die. 400 poison damage. I think this one is good. 20% magical damage. Since the respin the I don't know how this thing works. Oh my god, they're all dealing magical damage now. Oh, so that's how it works. So getting the times too early is not good. Shield is useless. Okay, he's just gonna heal. Wait, it also removes the poison. $101 damage times 3. I don't have defense against that. Explosion. 150 physical damage and up to 150 magical damage. Uses skill check. 1 use per turn. Revives you once. A tombstone. The starting health was really freaking good. Yeah, that's why we need more magical defense. Physical strength. More coins. Let's start with 300 health. That should get us longer. Modular attack are strengthened. And then more coins, I guess. Okay, let's go for one more run. We're gonna keep the magical shield this time. Poison blade, hammer, and the magic wizard shield. I'm just gonna spam the spacebar. That's how we do skill check. Yep, it does increase your magical damage. We are not gonna upgrade the hammer. We're gonna grab the spell book. $55 damage this early. Plus, we actually have more health now. We are gonna keep the magical shield. No. We can get the steak. That's like a free healing. Hit 18 poison damage becomes 30. We're gonna get the cheese next. You're dead. 85 poison damage. Cheese and the mushroom for passive healing. You know what? Queen of snakes, you're not gonna survive that long. We're already dealing like 100 damage. This shield, the iron shield, is also pretty good. We're gonna get the bounty contract early. That way we can get some extra money. We don't need the heal right now. We're just gonna try to speed run everything. The magical damage is the problem. We don't have a lot of def. Oh, it's the tombstone. That's a free revive. We're gonna grab that one. That might help our run. I see. So we still need to buy the cheese to increase our maximum shield. It only goes up to 100 now. Because we still don't have any cheese. Yeah, we're gonna get the cheese. Oh, the poison weapon is here. We're gonna remove the hammer. We're gonna go full toxic. Full toxic build. We're gonna deal a ton of freaking damage now. We have 400 HP. So that's like 2 hits from the next boss. You know what? The magical shield really helps. The magical shield, it's not for the shield. It's for the boost damage. We don't have any skill check. We're gonna heal. You're dead next turn. $500 poison damage. Should we upgrade this thing? It's gonna be useless anyway. Oh, that's the explosion. Explosion has a skill check. It also costs 50 to use. I don't have 50. I don't even have that much. $18 poison becomes 75. 200% magical damage. Oh my god, the magical damage just keeps stacking. It's 200% now. What is this? Grant a shield. No, just give me more poison damage. This one deals a bit of magical damage, but not a lot. We're gonna heal. You're dead. 500 poison damage. We can upgrade the spell book. Spell book upgrades every freaking thing. Poison damage on the first turn. You're dead. Upgrade the cheese. There's no point upgrading the shield. Why? This one deals magic damage. There's no point. Oh my god. 400 damage on the second turn. We need more cheese. We need more cheese. I think they all deal magical damage on this level. Okay, that one deals physical. A lot of physical damage. 200 physical damage. We need this guy dead. More damage. There's no point upgrading the physical damage. I think this is the farthest we got. No, it's the rock again. I think this is where we're gonna die, I guess. No, more cheese. Shard thing. Oh no. That's gonna hurt. Ouch. Why with the shield again? We need to heal. 65 damage times 3. Stop giving me shields. I need damage. Oh, it's just gonna heal. That's good. $95 damage times 2. Times 3. I think we're dead. Yeah, we're dead. You're dead also, hopefully. No, next turn. 110 damage times 3. Oh my god, that's almost all my HP. Just die. You know what? Magical damage is the problem. We don't need the shield. Fine. I might as well buy something. Okay, this one only deals physical. So far. He also steals money. You need to die. I think the spell book. We need to upgrade this goddamn spell book. Oh, it's the gunslinger again. 200 magical damage. 270. We're dead. We can only survive 2 hits from that thing. I think it's dead. Maybe. Magical shields for the win. The heal mushroom works. You know what? Upgrade the shield. Does it? Does the magical damage increase? No. I should have got the mushroom. If they just deal physical damage, I think we're gonna be fine. Never mind. This one deals 120 times 2. Not we only survive because we have a lot of HP. That's the only thing. And the free revive. Now it's 130 times 2. But I think you're dead. You're dead. Ooh, money, shield. You know what? More HP. More freaking HP. I think our damage is fine. Oh my god, that's 200 HP. We really need magical resistance. They also have a ton of freaking health. 120 magical damage. Shields are useless. We are not gonna upgrade the shield. We're dead. That's 140 times 2. That's our last revive. That's our last revive. What's killing curse? Up to 1 magical damage. Use a skill check. Critical. Times 1000 critical. Can I upgrade the spell book? I cannot upgrade anything. Fine, lifesteal. Mud Fairy. Okay, this one deals both physical and magical damage. No, it's fine. As long as it's not pure magical damage, we're gonna survive this. At least we can block half of the damage. That still hurts a lot. You know what? You're dead. You're dead. Magical shields for the win. There is no point upgrading the shield. The arm? You know what? You only deal physical, so it's fine. Minus 20 gold. Oh my god, he's gonna steal money. I don't like monsters that steals my money. That's all my money, by the way. This guy is dead. Maybe. One more turn. You're dead. I cannot upgrade that. I cannot upgrade that. I can get the shield charm. You know what? Might as well spend it. They might steal my money. Okay, it's another heavy hitter, but good thing it's only physical damage. Let me heal. It's a heavy hitter. He also has a lot of freaking HP and shield. Which... At least we have some shield. Okay, you're dead next turn. Why do we have so much freaking shield? You know what? It's fine. 1000 poison damage. Can I upgrade this now? Can I upgrade the cheese? All I can get is vampirism. The deceiver. What is that thing? What are you gonna do? What is this? I don't know what he's doing. He locks one of my freaking thing? Oh, that's not freaking good. He also deals magical damage. Oh no, we are dying. You also have 200 heals? Oh, that's fine. You can still build poison damage. $80, 86 times 4. That's a lot of freaking damage. By the way, we do not have... we don't have resurrection anymore. We are dead. Yeah. You know what? At least that's the farthest we got. We got 200 chips from that? We can get more of the starting HP. The strength and magical attack actually freaking helps. So we have 20% more magical attack. That means more poison damage. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's Slots and Daggers. It's a really freaking good roguelike. So like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye, guys. GG.